Hello students, welcome to our online session. Today's class will discuss Visual Basic Lab Programming. Today's we will be focusing on our 2B exercise, that is about student registration program. This program we will try to cover all the common tools which are available in the toolbox so that you'll get an idea how to use these toolbox. Let us see the form design first. So here I have placed a text label. Hope you understand. Know this is label. And in the caption window in the right side, I have put student registration program and given particular color for this. Then I have placed 3 labels and I have given the name, surname and age. In the alignment, I have made it in the right side. It's up to you, whichever direction you want, you can make it. 3 labels once again I have placed, and then I have placed a text box. This is text box. 3 text box. The name I have used is first I have placed here. So second time I have placed, and third. So text 1, text 2, and text 3 I have given. It's mentioned. Actually, no need to give. Correctly, if you place, automatically system will name like this only, in this order only. Afterwards, I have placed 2 radio buttons. So this is called option button, or we call it as radio button. Placed a radio button, male, and another radio button I have placed and named it as female. So this is going to be option 1 and this is going to be option 2 by default. And to get this square place and here gender here, I have used this frames. How to use this frame means select the frame, place it above this male and female. Your male and female get hidden. Select it and right click, send to back. Like that, when you give, those 2 options will come in the front. And the caption for this frame 3 frame is there, no, that you need to change it to gender. Maybe I will place it separately and show you rather than merging along with this. See, I have to place 2 options. One option I am placing. I need 2 options, so I am placing both the option. After placing, I am changing the option 3 name to male, and this option 4 name to female. Done. Then I am using a frame. This one XY will be there. Just it act as a square that area for this particular concept frame. So here I change my frame name to gender. In caption, not the name. Okay, caption change to gender. You could observe gender name is there. If you want, you can make it bold and all. And if you could observe, our male and female has got hidden, and only the frame is in the front. To overcome this, you need to select the frame, right click, send to back. When you give, those 2 will come in the front. So understood? Place 2 option button, then place a frame, change the name of the frame, then right click on the frame and select send back, send to back. It will come back and it will be in this position. Same way, option button means any one of the option only I will be able to select. Next, I want to select the checkbox. So this is called checkboxes. For this all design also same thing. I have placed 2 checkbox. One is English, another is German. That means place a checkbox, go to caption and make it to English, and another checkbox you place and make it to German. Then once again, how to design this? Place a frame and select the caption, change it to foreign language. Then these 2 won't be visible. Select it, right click, send to back. When you give, it will be available to you. Okay. Then the right side of the picture, I have placed a list box. This is a list box. So below the option button, list box will be there. Select the list box and place it. For the list box above, I have placed one label and given the name as student registered. Like that one label caption I have given. Then 4 small buttons I have placed. This is command 1, this is command 2, this is command 3 and command 4. 4 buttons you place it across. Our design part is done. Then we will move on to coding part. For that, command 1, add to list. So how this program output will be means, once you run, you need to enter this 3 things and select the gender, select the language. So whatever option you have selected, when you click add to list, that items, whatever these content will be available in the list box. So that's the program about. When I click remove, whatever item is in the list box will be removed one by one. Quit means it will close, clear means it will clear the list, these items, names of these. Okay, this is how the program works. So let me click on add to list. So here you need to give the options. I am declaring thing. So in case option 1 is true, then it should be male. Otherwise it should be female. Or if check value is 1, language should be English. If check 2 values to 1 means true. Okay, it should be German. And then I'm giving, if check 1 and check 2 both are 1, then it should be English and German. Check 1 is 0 and check value is also 0, language is none. Then we need to place, so you given command list1 dot add item text1. Text1 the name will be displayed, and one space has to come. For that you need to use ampersand, open a bracket, close a bracket, once again ampersand, so that you will get a space. Then text2. Text2 you will get that next whatever you have formed. Then ampersand. Then after text2 I need one dash. So I have within double quotes I have included that. Then I text3 value, then gender value and the language value. Like this you need to type. That's all. Then command 2 when I click. So once again go back to form. Click on command 2. In command 2 you need to select minus list 1 of list of 0. So whatever item I have added, it should be removed. For that, I will say list1 dot remove item number minus 1. In command 3, it is quit. So I have given the command end. Command 4 is for clear. So I am telling remove the item in text1, text2 and text4. And when I load the form, text1, text2 should be empty. Now if you could see, it is showing text1 as a value. Those values should be removed. So it should be empty. For that, when I'm saying load form, use this. Okay. So this is how we will write the coding part of it. Now, once we execute the form, you could see the form execution. Here it is asking for name. I'm giving the name Aarti, surname Raj, age. Then it's asking male or female. I'm giving female. Then select one language and add to list. When I give, the same content will be added here in this order. Next, I want to add one more option, means I'm giving next name. Then this time I'm selecting book the language, add the thing, means add. Like that, any number of record you want to add, you can add it in the list box. How the remove one more record for your example, I will give. I'm not selecting both the languages, so I should get none. See, name, age, gender, and none will come. This is what the coding we have written for add item. So then when I see, and now we have 3 items, when I click remove, the last entered item will be removed. When I click quit, it will quit. Clear means this content will be cleared. So this is the program about 2B program. Do practice this program, and first, before practicing, try understanding the program, and then in your laptops, practice this program. And if you get the output, post the output screen to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Arun?